What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times. So open the app, go to recents and close it, and repeat this 2 to 3 times. And after that the notifications will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a do not disturb button. So if this button is enabled, then there will be no reminder for incoming call and notification from any app. So to fix the messenger notifications issue, turn off do not disturb, and after that you will start receiving notifications from the messenger app. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.